Hi guys, welcome to Zero Budget VFX. Today I'm going to be showing you how to perform the special effect of phasing. Phasing is the effect of making an actor seemingly pass through a solid substance like a wall. With computers and green screens and all that, something like this would be a piece of cake. But in this channel, we don't really deal with the easy way to do things. So we are going to figure out a way to do this with no budget and no recording equipment except your phone and just free softwares like Flipperclip. So whether you're on a hike somewhere and you suddenly want to make yourself look like you're phasing through a tree, or if you're waiting at your dentist's office and you want to make it look like you just went through the door, these are the techniques you'll want to use. The old school way of doing it was very simple. It's what I call the start-stop technique.
I can go through solid matter.
What we are looking for are those split-second moments where the actor's body and the wall almost seem to fuse into one. Even if it looks awkward and clumsy, the key is to use it sparingly and quickly to surprise your audience who may not expect this from something like a TikTok video or a low-budget video. And it will still be better than any other method used without a computer. There are two movements to phasing, phasing in and phasing out. So I'm going to handle them both as two separate effects. And first, I'm going to be showing you how to phase into the wall. As always, we first film the background shot. To make things easier, I'm going to use this background for both the phasing in and the phasing out effect. Here I am running into the wall, and except instead of something breaking down, my character is actually now going to pass through the wall. I'm now going to take this to Flipperclip. You'll notice that as I get closer to the wall, I'm actually running in place. This is so that I can make it look like I'm running while I'm phasing through the wall. You can see my previous videos for how Flipperclip works. I will leave the link in the description. I am now going to erase around this character so that the background comes into play. The faster your actors are moving, the easier it will be to pull off this effect. You just kind of run through and then immediately you dissolve into the wall. Now let's get to phasing out of the wall. For the same reason as before, this time I'm going to start running in place before moving forward. This time I'm going to reverse the layers, where now I have the plain background layer with just the wall and nothing else happening in front, and me pushing through at the back. One of the tools on Flipperclip that you see there lets you reduce the opacity of the layer, which means you make it more transparent so you can see the layer behind it. It's just a matter of erasing the wall. And now I'm out. Once you export the video, you now have footage of your actors phasing in and out of walls at will. Just like how this video dealt with the tangibility of your actors, next week's video is going to deal with the size of your actors, where I'm going to show you how to shrink your actors and get them into little miniature objects or whatever you fancy, just like this. If you like these concepts, please leave a like, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.